Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Last week I showed you how to make some garlic naan, and now you can pair it with some delicious and creamy butter chicken. The first step to making this recipe is to marinate our chicken. If you are vegetarian, you can definitely swap out the chicken for something like tofu, paneer, or even some cauliflower. So to your chicken breast, you're going to add some fresh garlic, fresh ginger, some plain whole yogurt, salt, cumin, garam masala, coriander, cayenne to taste, salt, turmeric, and paprika. Now mix it all up really well to make sure everything is marinated evenly. You can cook it right away after spicing it, or you can let it sit for an hour, 2 hours, or even overnight until you're ready to enjoy your buttered chicken. To a pan, add some vegetable oil and toss your chicken in. The goal is to get some beautiful browning on the chicken, just like this. You also want to make sure not to overcook your chicken, because when we add it back into the sauce later, it's going to continue to cook, and the last thing that we want is dry chicken. Once your chicken is done, transfer it to a bowl and set it aside, and into the same pot, we're going to add a little bit more oil and cook down our tomato paste. You have to cook your tomato paste in oil for a few minutes to get rid of any strong acidity. It's going to darken in color, and that's when you know it's ready. Then we're going to add our tomato sauce and heavy cream and give it a good mix. If you want this to taste more like chicken tikka masala instead of butter chicken, I'll include some directions down below in the description, but basically you would add less heavy cream, more tomato sauce, as well as more spices. Now you can finally add your chicken back into the sauce and give it a good mix. It's going to turn a beautiful orange color. As mentioned previously, if you want this to taste more like chicken tikka masala, you're going to add more spices into your sauce. The full measurements for that are written down in the description, so make sure to check it out. All that's really left to do is taste it and make sure it's perfect to your liking. To plate your butter chicken, you're going to add it into a deep bowl. Then garnish it with some yogurt to cool it off and some fresh cilantro. Just don't forget to serve it with some rice and homemade garlic naan, which I showed how to make in my last video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new video. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!